This video, we are going to discuss how to solve equations containing rational expressions. These problems will be like those from 14.5, numbers 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 19, 29. That'll be it. This is going to be our last video of not just this unit, but of the entire MD60 series. Let's go ahead and get started here. This one is going to be a little trickier than some of the other ones because we're going to have to pay attention to what we call the domain of the function to make sure that we don't get any solutions to our equation that make the original function undefined. So off to the side here, I need to take note that x can't be equal to 0. If I get a solution of x equals 0, I need to ignore it. That would be called an extraneous solution. The reason it can't be 0 is I can't divide by 0 here. So let's go ahead and let's isolate this expression with a variable in it by subtracting 3 from both sides. Negative 15 divided by x is equal to positive 5. And I'm going to put that over 1. I'm going to cross multiply here because this is a proportion now. Negative 15 is equal to 5x. I'm going to divide by 5. X equals negative 3. Let's check our answer. 3 minus 15 over negative 3. Is that equal to 8? 3 plus 5. Is that 8? 8 is equal to 8. So yes, x equals negative 3 is our solution. Let's go ahead now and look at 7 plus 8 over x equals x plus 9. Let's go ahead and just subtract the 7 from both sides. 8 over x is equal to x plus 2. X can't be 0 here. Let's go ahead and let's just multiply everything by this x to get rid of it. 8 equals x squared plus 2x. 0 equals x squared plus 2x minus 8. X plus 4, x minus 2, x plus 4 equals 0, or x minus 2 equals 0, x equals negative 4, or x equals 2. Let's check those answers. 7 plus 8 over negative 4, is that equal to negative 4 plus 9? 7 minus 2, is that 5? 5 is equal to 5. So that's a good answer. And then 7 plus 8 over 2, is that equal to 2 plus 9? 7 plus 4, is that equal to 11? 11 is equal to 11. So that's also a good answer. All right. Doing good so far. No extraneous solutions yet. Seven. Oh, that was the one you just did. Scroll on down here. A over 7 equals a minus 5 over 2. This is set up like a proportion, so I'm going to cross multiply here. 2a is equal to 7a minus 35. So 5a is equal to 35. And a is equal to 7. Let's check that out. 1 is equal to 1. So A is equal to 7. Right? Now let's look at this one. X minus 6 over 4 plus x minus 5 over 3 equals 1 over 3. I'm going to clear my fractions by multiplying by the LCD, which is going to be 12. 3 times x minus 6 plus 4 times x minus 5 equals 4. 3x minus 18 plus 4x minus 20 equals 4. 7x minus 38 is equal to 4. 7x is equal to 42. X is equal to 6. Let's check that out, make sure that it works. 6 minus 6 over 4 plus 6 minus 5 over 3. Is that equal to 1/3? Yeah, because this is 0, and that's 1/3 is equal to 1/3. So, yep. Answer 6. At our next problem now. Five over 4x minus 9 is equal to negative 5. 5 is equal to negative 20x plus 45 when I multiply both sides by this denominator. $25x is equal to 45. Divide both sides by 25. X is equal to 9/5. My problem number here is that it can't equal 9/4. So 9/5 is okay. Let's get this one going. 6y over y minus 6 plus 1 equals 5y over y minus 6. Could just multiply everything here on both sides by y minus 6, but when we do that, we need to make sure that we note that y is not allowed to be equal to 6. So 6y plus y minus 6 equals 5y. 7y minus 6 equals 5y. 2y equals 6 and y equals 3. Let's check that answer. 18 over negative 3 plus 1. Is that equal to 15 over negative 3? Negative 6 plus 1. Is that negative 5? Yes, negative 5 is negative 5. So y is equal to 3. One over x plus 6 plus 12 over x squared minus 36 equals 1. Our LCD is going to be x squared minus 36, which is x plus 6 times x minus 6. Same thing there. So x can't be equal to -6 or 6 here. So x minus 6 plus 12 equals x squared minus 36. X plus 6 equals x squared minus 36. 0 equals x squared minus x minus 42. X plus minus 6 and 7. X equals -6. That's extraneous. Or x equals 7. That should be okay. Yes, that's right. Okay. And then last one. 15 over 2x plus 6 over 7 equals 3 over 2x. So my LCD here is 14x, and x can't be 0. This is going to be 7 times 15 plus 2x times 6 equals 7 times 3. 105 plus 12x is equal to 21. Minus 105 minus 105. 12x is equal to 21. If 84, x is equal to -7. And that should work. Over 14. Yep, that's right. Okay, so that is it. This completes all of our MD60 videos. So keep an eye out for the MDE61 videos that should be out there, which should be the next class for most of you who are taking MDE60. And let me know if you have any questions. If you're a Reynolds student, then go ahead and stop in and see us for tutoring, and be happy to help you with your math classes. All right. See you next time.